is in charge and condoning this nonsense. And I've directed this to the Chief of Staff's office, Julius Debrah, the last time I mentioned your name. The reason I'm mentioning your name is because I know that your office, the things you people are doing there, I don't agree with it. Maybe the president haven't heard what I'm saying. Take it to him. If you don't take it to him...
Hold on. See the stupidity and the buffoonery in which he is ordering a chief of staff. Maybe the president hasn't heard it. Take it to him.
Yes, you'll be out and be on the fata. Minim entity, the mark Kelvin Taylor, baby say Attini, Debbie. Now, no cassa bon fucking. Me will be down. And yes, well, there be a mekabi. Messi Obi Oha. Ni suni ne bainti baby ojina wan ojina. Uncle him. Because a man is saying a war will ne ananta. Utimika chief of staff. Utimi warning on.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH FM Bamboo. Subscribe, share. Medi two man awansa akabi. And now, Musa Kelvin Taylor, I can't say me bro. Say on the NDC bar power. I need vote 10 million. On the NDC bar power. I say no patch. Share a yes one. Uli bibi. Sako to jatana wonyanya. Kai who said that to be obekau. Those times now, na Kelvin Taylor kika kwasa sama ye ka che ne say. And yes, I can not NDC for food soldiers. No, I'm catch and say, you can't pass us. And then what turning attention onto people with dignity. Or to say, Chief of Staff, Papa Debrah, one of the finest gentlemen in this country. Even the president, me, my president, he's talking in the house to me.
From the president to the last person in the NDC, I'm not scared of anybody. Me, I am not scared of anybody in the NDC. We didn't wait for you people to come and continue the same nonsense. Then, from the president to the last person at Jubilee House, who is in charge and condoning this nonsense. And I've directed this to the Chief of Staff's office, Julius Debrah, the last time I mentioned your name. The reason I'm mentioning your name is because I know that your office, the things you people are doing there, I don't agree with it. Maybe the president haven't heard what I'm saying. Take it to him. If you don't take it to him...
Hold on. See the stupidity and the buffoonery in which he is ordering a chief of staff. Maybe the president hasn't heard it. Take it to him. See the way this guy is ordering Julius Debrah about. Maybe the president and you, Julius Debrah, I am speaking to you.
Because the last time, just look at him. Fire burn him.
And there's a character who says he will take matter to court.
More fire.
And when you run, make way for it. It's almost filing for default judgment. Court now moment default judgment. Now so far, yente one and no the man this for.
That your job as the chief of staff, and how many chief of staff do you have? We have an advisor to the president, Valerie Sawyer. You are also part. I'm sending this message to you. Take it to the president. Callistus Mahama, you are the secretary to the president. I'm sending this message to you. Take it to the president. Dogbe, I am sending this message to you. You people, the president is too busy, and if you people think you don't want to send a message to the president, I will find a way to send it to the president. But I'm sending you 4 people. If anybody thinks they are big,
pause. Look at the demeanor. But I am sending you 4 people. NDC, wait. I'm sending you 4 people. If you people don't take it to the president, I'll find a way to get you to the president.
More fire.
Never papa. Osman papa. Ayo do my hine. Nana flowers. They are cocas and mecamiu. Na 10 million go in any hookies. Now go fiade ba ko ne say. Put me court. Na ebia ye kasa we kromfo. It was said there be a defaming. But Drua, Ebian and your cromfo now you're rapist. It court, you provision now you rapist. Court on the back said there be whom deserve it. A walk around what mean now defamation. But who ask for 10 million? But court in bet me on flowers and to my year free. Also, Ebia Mama Tazan Ghana. Said the Anas and the Japan. Eti, when any idea no. And one also was sending Julius Debrah. Look at the way he talks to them. Bolabed say you to America. I'm ordering you. Send them more.
Want you people should walk out of the Flagstaff house. Nobody get time for anybody. For now, I'll make it sound like the president hasn't heard it. That is why I've mentioned names. Julius Debrah, I've mentioned your name. Valerie Sawyer, I've mentioned your name. Callistus Mahama, I've mentioned your name. And I've mentioned Dogbe. You four. I don't want to hear any of you are involved in this nonsense. And in 24 hours to 48, 72 hours, by Monday or Tuesday, changes needs to be done. Into nobody should think, say,
so this is a Jataban of the Befian. Obey when you obey more fire. I'm ordering you. Oh, the Julius Debrah. Now, me Julius Debrah, me need Juma. And you are one of the boys in a year, means Minka Sentiana. Also, the board, the kind of respect.
Precisely.
Oh, I'm ordering you. It's a court case in your coin. Processing in you. Now, Govi, say, Opesi, yes, our truck case in this one. This was our Kwashasi, free. We got a free legal education. Sakwashasi, a bra. Now, for Papa Badakim. I know you want to make us up, Papa Madakam. I know the hey, you wouldn't remember. Oh, so the case is not finished. Now, who asking for default judgment? And then Chiremon want to ask you, who might get in here, Radiname?
Kelvin, wafra, and fa magana so. Send ya wuti US ho. I wouldn't Trump because ya dia Trump would. I want to make a Trump person because we US now. Make a bibi achewe ne Kelvin. Yeah, Ghana fool, we are proud Ghanaians. Yeah, John Mahama or the president. Whether we pay, as long as he sits on the throne of Ghana, he is my president. Now what do be? Yes, you be out can be the fata. Minim entity de mark Kelvin Taylor, baby say entity ye, Debbie. Now no kasa bon fucking. Me will be down. And yes, well, there be a mekabibi. Messi obi wo ha. Ni suni ne ba nti baby ogina wa no gina. Onko anim. Because eba ne say na wo a wo na ananta we ananta. Utimi kaka chief of staff, utimi warning no. How dare you? Obi America abrewa na udi. Utimi be warning a chief of staff. No wonder. NDC for na eboje also. Na me be bruise there, me mo nyo so. Because when you be I say SSS school away SS2 na uja school. Osu ya ka samana ka wa be ka bi. Obi a one ko journalism school. Who utimi ka jealousy for e ka samana so ka bi. What do you mean? Also, I can say that be with you. But all the bad president so there, I would face you squarely. Because America, how now won Trump on you better than John Mahama. Let me tell you. Yana ya didn't maybe dear Pontia. Now, combine and Yamisa Western Ghana. America focus on Ghana. Unima make catch now. Now, what's the America? Now, so dear, be what can you pass? Yes, and now, oh, sorry, and I'm warning you. Who are you? Kelvin Taylor, who are you? You are nobody. Unai left. Unai manta. Oba Obama was a coat to be. I mean, say, the collabo, the cry, a suka kakao, said, yo, none in the choir BBC. Nipa say, not me, ya, chief of staff, and the president. Yeah, Jimmy 70. Somebody will go and back this stupid boy. I'm kwasa someone can say who said Ghana president in cassette yano and yet NDC president. Ya be politics for command and for Jimmy chairs o cassette ya abai ye na cassette ya MPP in a two or more, but I don't have the right say Nemi Babe claim say I brought NDC to power. What are you talking about? Are you God? One vote. O cries one vote. Kasa phone na kasa no. And then OBNTO. Ghanaians were fed up with the MPP. Simple as that. And now can we tell another NDC back power? Say NDC for me to make country na make country na mamo. Enyo na the NDC ba power Jimmy no. What Jimmy do? Na Jimmy na ko for e bojo so sa. No wonder. O hwe na suntem a say na suntem. I said sa baby as si asa twi. Kwasi asa no. Aha Xposed GHFM baby wa hwe na maka ni aka. Subscribe share me too man answer ka be manuesi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.